Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to generate your Google Classroom Meet code so that this way students can log in for live classes. The very first step is you want to have a Google Classroom for each class period. Then once you're in the class period that you're interested in, you have to do this for each class period. So I do want to make you aware of that. Underneath the name of the class, you'll see the class code. That's if in case you need to share that with your administrator. And then right underneath that, you should say something, you should see something that says generate meet link. So I'm going to click generate meet link. And this is where I'm going to actually generate my meeting link. Do you see? So another thing popped up here. You don't want to copy and share this. You don't want to do that. We're going to create a video that you're going to post in your Google Classroom for students to be able to log in. What you might want to do is you might want to switch this, like toggle this off so it is not visible to students and save that way. And you see this little eye thing is telling me that this link is not visible to students. You can make it visible to students. You can do that. You can choose to do that right before the session. You can choose to leave it open. Students cannot log in even if you were to leave it open, okay? So let's say I want it to be visible. I changed my mind. I want this to be visible. So notice where I went in my Google Classroom. If I want to change any sort of setting, I'm going to click that gear on the top right. You're going to scroll down to where it says Meet. Okay, you see how it has generated a Meet code? So I'm going to flip this to be visible to students, and then I'm going to save. And now the only thing that students have to do is when they click the Google Classroom, that Meet code will be there for them, and you do the same. So you'll log into your Google Classroom as a teacher, and you'll click the Meet code, and it will automatically take you to your class session. And again, students cannot join until you log on to your Google Classroom. Let's say you had an incident and you don't want to have this Google Meet code anymore. Another thing that you can do in the settings is you can choose to reset the Meet code. And then if someone sent out this link, they can't use it anymore because you have generated a new Meet code. And then, of course, you can either toggle it off or on, and then hit save whenever there are any changes. Okay, so hopefully that answers what you have to do on your end as a teacher so that your students can access Google Meet for their classes. Please let me know if you have any questions.